Hey guys, we're going to have Desiree demonstrate the dead bug exercise, another great core strengthening and stability training exercise. All right, so what we have is her laying on her back, and then I want to bring her legs up, good, so that they're pointing perpendicular to the ground, perfectly straight to the ground. And then same thing with the arms, bring them up, pointing them straight up at the sky, excellent. And this is sort of like the bird dog in that we do opposite arm and leg. So we're going to do this arm extending all the way and this leg extending all the way, perfect. And then we bring it back in. And then we do the other side. Perfect. And this is a little bit of a brain teaser in that it's really hard to keep the other arm and leg stable and pointing straight up. It's really tempting to move those. If you're doing it 100% perfect, they stay where they're supposed to stay. All right, so do two more for us. Very good. Bringing that arm and leg close to the ground, but not quite touching. Excellent. And notice how her arms and legs kind of move a little bit, so it's a challenge.